Fuzu mashindano ya ubingwa bara Afrika kwa wanawake ikiwa ni mchezo wa soka. Kwingineko ni kwamba Runda View na Kangemi wazoefu waliibuka na ushindi kwenye Kombe la Tim Wanyonyi Super Cup kwenye finali iliyoandaliwa katika uwanja wa Kabete Polytechnic. Runda View ililaza Nairobi Starlets mabao 4-3 huku Kangemi wazoefu ikilaza Kangemi All Stars. Mwisho wa siku wote hao wakaibuka washindi.
To the conclusion today, but you have also witnessed that we are here also to plant trees. Trees today, we are putting trees because there is a global danger of our planet that we have now to reclaim our planet because of the climate change. And for us to do that, we must plant enough trees so that we can have the environment taken care of.
When we came in here this morning, in the backdrop of a competition that's happening and the possibility of scouting of young people for opportunities, and we planted the trees and we made wishes for love, for togetherness, for prosperity, for opportunity.
As a National Government Constituency Development Fund, we are here to support sports, the youth. We need to nurture those talents, and therefore we just want to say, let's all continue with such kind of gestures. Let's all do this.
Tunakaribisha Christmas.